Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Giraffe. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start near the top and let's draw the mouth. Let's start with a curve across. And then a curve on both ends. Now on top in the center, let's draw a curve up and back down for the nose. And then two curves inside for the nostrils. Next, let's hop on top and let's add the eyes. Let's start with a curve up and back down on the left, and the same on the right. Now let's curve it back in at the bottom. Next, let's hop inside each of the eyes and let's draw an oval. And then color the rest of the eyes in black. Next, let's hop on top and let's draw a curve on top of each eye. And that's it for the face. Now let's move out and draw the shape of the head. Let's start next to the eyes and let's draw a curve out and back down. And then a large curve underneath for the chin. Next, let's hop on top and let's draw a curve up and down on top of each eye. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's move up and let's draw the ears. Let's start on the top left here and let's draw a curve up and then curve it back down. And let's do the same on the right. And then let's add another curve in the same way inside. And that's it for the ears. Now let's move up and draw the horns. Let's draw two lines up on the top left. And the same on the right. And then let's add a sideways oval on top. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start with two long curves down for the neck. Then let's curve it out and bring it back in. Next, inside the body here, let's draw a rectangle near the bottom. Then inside, let's add 4 lines on the left side. Now let's hop down underneath and let's draw 2 lines down for the zipper. And that's it for the main part of the body. Now let's move out and let's draw the arms. Let's start at the bottom of the neck and let's draw a curve out and then bring it down. And then another angle underneath. And then close off the bottom of each arm. And now inside, let's add another curve near the ends. That's it for the shape of the arms. Now underneath, let's add the legs. Let's add 2 long curves down on the left. And the same on the right side. And then close it off at the bottom. And again, let's add a curve at the bottom. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's move in and let's draw the pattern. Let's start on the top right of the neck and let's draw a rectangle shape on the side. Now top down and let's do the same thing on the left side. And then move down and let's do a few more on the belly. Now let's move out and let's draw the same pattern on the arms. And then a few more on the legs. And that's it for the pattern on the body. Lastly, let's draw the tail. Let's start underneath the body in between the legs and let's draw 2 curves down and over to the right. Now let's continue them on the other side. And then add a curve at the end. Lastly, at the end, let's draw 2 curves coming to a point. And that's it for Jerry Giraffe. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!